I'm a nice guy. I'm a fair guy. I've been on the state police for a long time. When I see somebody driving the way you did on 146, weaving in and out of traffic back there, and then take the exit ramp from the high-speed lane with no directional on your motorcycle, I often wonder why you guys get into accidents. Seriously, I've been in this business for 18 years. Okay, there's absolutely no reason to drive like that. Okay, 2 weeks ago on a Sunday, I had a motorcycle, drive by the barracks. I can hear it. 2 minutes later, we got called for an accident. The kid snapped his ankle right off his leg. Okay, totally unnecessary. All right, you have a license and registration, please? I'm not going to chase you because if I got behind you out there, you would have just taken off.
No, I don't care. Because I know I'm ready, but I don't want to do it.
How is your license? What we're going to do is I'm going to pull my cruiser to the left. You're going to go right there where that car just pulled in and stop right there. Jerry, you're very lucky. Thank you very much. Stop, you can give me a hard time, okay? I could be writing you a ticket for about $500 right now. Multiple violations, lane roadway, following you close, no turn signal and speed. Be careful on this thing. Have a good day.
And this just got interesting. This guy just pulled out on us. Adios. Oh, no, not adios. Oh, what the f? For what? What the f, bro? Let him put his kickstand down at least. Look at this. Jesus Christ. Someone get that bike. Go, 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 go. Some bullshit. I got more cops coming. That sucks, man. At least we got the bike, so it's not gonna get impounded, but that sucks. There's nothing we can really do to like get him back out of handcuffs. I don't know why he stopped.
Hello. You okay? I'm worried about you because I drove past a couple of times on the A24 and saw you.
Yeah, I was just watching the traffic.
Oh, okay. I just wanted to make sure you
Cooling the scooter down.
Huh?
Gets hot. But,
okay.
oh, thanks for the compliment. It's cool.
Ah, cool. No, I just wondered. I thought I'd check and then I drove past. So
Oh, it's nice.
well, have a lovely evening. Sorry, I thought I'd better just double check you're all right.
And you.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Yes.
I ran out of gas, I think. My bike was dying as I was riding, and like, I don't know what the f just happened. Okay. And then as soon as I came to a stop, my gas light came on. It never came on in the first place.
You didn't check your gas tank?
I left work, and I was riding perfectly fine, and I don't know, man. God damn it.
You know what,
I'm gonna hop off real quick. My hurts.
Not with a disabled motorcycle, 288 northbound, GSF 360 exit.
You're the best, bro.
Tag William 49607. We have a PSA that might be able to respond. He's out of gas.
Dude, you're the best, man. I appreciate it so much.
I just think, is your bike still rolling?
Yeah.
Put it up on mine. So
I think I can get it to start.
I don't even bother getting it started. Walk it up.
I'll take my helmet.
Did you open it up to see how much gas is in